Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you the application of Amber Spice Lipsense. It is amazing. It's like very fall and winter, but it came out in the fall. But this is amazing, and I thought it would go really well with my ShadowSense eyeshadow look today, because I did kind of a well, I'll just tell you what I did. So I did candlelight all over the lid, and then I did Sweet Rose Shimmer, which is a new one, and then over to that, I did Sweet Rose Shimmer all over the lid, and after that, I did my eyeliner, and then I did shell glitter. Now, shell glitter is on the last chance, so on the Sengence website. So, and it's a 25% off. It is such an amazing, pretty color. So, and then I thought Amber Spice would go perfectly with this. And then I used pink opal shimmer in the corners. And then I used snow to brighten it up so it looks like I'm more awake than I am. So, if you've never heard me talk about Lipsense, Lipsense is a lipstick that one tube of this equals four lipsticks. So that's pretty amazing. It's a liquid lip color, and after once you apply the first, can we talk right? Sorry. You have to layer it in 3 thin layers, and after each layer, you cannot talk during that time, and after 3 thin layers, can we talk, alright? You want to add the glossy glass to seal it in. So, and after that, you can blot it off and use a Lipsense lip gloss. I have done that before, but I'm just going to show you this simple Amber Spice amazing application. I am in love with it, and any of these products like the Amber Spice Lipsense, the Gloss Gloss, the Shell Glitter, everything is, I will put my link down below, so at the end of this video you can shop this entire look. What I did, I used Garnet ShadowSense on my eyebrows. It's amazing because it sets and stays and does not move. So yeah, so, and I'll talk about a little bit about ShadowSense afterwards. But if you've never heard of Lipsense, it's a lip color that is smudge proof, waterproof. Smudge proof, waterproof. I think it's waterproof because it doesn't come off when you drink it or anything. I should know all this stuff, and I do. And it's smudge proof, waterproof. It has skincare in it. So it actually has it has sun protection built into it. It's not tested on animals. It doesn't have any animal byproducts in it. It is amazing. So, hold on. I am going to grab a tissue and come back. One more thing before I start. This is a clean tissue, nothing on it. The Lipsense lasts from 4 to 18 hours. So it's pretty much going to last you all day. So, do you hear that clicking noise? It's actually a ball inside. And when you shake it, you're mixing up the color. And you want to make sure that it's well shook because you want the color to come out. And also, you can drink coffee, eat, and still have it on. You don't have to reapply it. It will last a long time. Like I said, anywhere from 4 to 18 hours. So also one more thing, if you haven't seen my previous Lipsense videos, go check them out after this. I will try to link each one of them down below because you can mix them, you can layer them, you can make your own colors. Like, it's amazing. And I got a question by a viewer, how does it compare to Maybelline lipstick I think it was Maybelline lipstick and the NYX lipstick thing. And this, like, I tried the Maybelline before, and this, I'm not just saying this to make you buy it, but this is legit. It has so much goodness for you. It lasts way longer than any lipstick I have ever used. One thing, I know this is kind of long and I'm just battling on. So, because you can't talk when you're doing the layers. So, what was I going to say? Yeah, I don't remember. So, you want to start with dry, clean lips. But yeah, and also it doesn't come off like the Maybelline stick or Stay Ink, I think it is. I have used that one in the past, and you have to layer it. Like, not layer it, but it smudges off, and I might do a video on it, so stay tuned. Sorry, I totally spaced out and forgot what I was gonna say. Maybe it'll come to me when I am doing this. Also, in between layers, you don't want your lips to touch, but you can touch them up. So I just opened it. Now I'm gonna take the wand. Just like this. Sorry, I was looking in the mirror. Okay, layer one. You want to make sure it's dry to the touch before you add another one. And you want to go in the same direction that you first started. So layer two. That's the TV in the background. So I'm going in between and got on taste. Don't try that at home. Let it dry. Layer 3. Okay. That is so pretty. So I'm gonna try 3 layers. Let it dry. Gloss. Dry. Now once you put the gloss on, you can seal it. Or it seals it so you can rub it together, and now you can talk. So look at how well this color matches with my pink eyeshadow look today. Amazing. So I'm going to finish up here and come back with the end result for you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result, and I forgot to show you something before the end result. Do you remember this tissue was clean? Right? And you want to know how well Lipsense stays on after eating and everything? Okay. I did it in the middle. Do you see anything? Okay, my hand. Nothing. So that, like, after eating, I just ate a hot dog for lunch, like, with goodness on it, and nothing. So I am told, like, the first time I used this, I was shocked because I never wore lipstick really any, like, before. When I did makeup before, I would never use like lipstick ever because I would never get it lined up with the other ones, and it would always come off while I was eating my food, and I thought it was so disgusting, like horribly disgusting. It was horrible. So I just stopped wearing it, and when I found that Maybelline Stay Ink, I was like, oh, this is gonna work and everything. No, but when I tried Lipsense for the first time, my first Lipsense was Kiss My Sass, which is sold out company-wide and you can't get it anymore. I was shocked. Even my dad was shocked, like how well it stayed on. So yeah, I am totally loving this color. It's neutral, not neutral, but it's really pretty fall color, and it goes pretty much with every eyeshadow ShadowSense you can think of. So yes, I will try to link all of the Lipsense videos I have done in the past, so you guys can see the layering. You can mix it together to make your own pretty colors. There's a lot of things that you could do with Lipsense that you can't do with other lipsticks. So I'm not trying to sell you on this, but if you do not own a Lipsense Starter Kit and you want to know what that is, I'm going to tell you. So you get one Lipsense for $25. Then it comes with a glossy gloss. But the starter kit, these two together are $55 total. That's your starter kit. So, and after that, like, there's hundreds of Lipsense colors, trust me. And you can make your own color. So, like, you could buy two, mix them, whatever. They have your shade that you want. So, trust me. And one of these, if you already have the gloss, one of these is $25 each. So I was now going to tell you about my eye look today. I already did, so I'm kind of repeating myself, but I'm going to do it again anyways. So what I did was candlelight all over, then sweet rose shimmer, then shell glitter, which shell glitter is 25% off if you use my link. It's in the last chance section. And yeah, it's amazing. And then I used pink opal shimmer. And then I used snow ShadowSense in the corners. And I used a new drugstore product. I know. And it was under $2. So I used a waterproof, retractable by Wet n Wild, black eyeliner. It's like the best eyeliner, probably hands down, I've used so far. And now I put in an order for the iSense black twist eyeliner from Sengence, and I have the navy one, which I like, but I really like black eyeliner, and you can add different colors after you use the black. This is like no good. This is by but sorry, I just totally went off track. But if you are interested or if you have any questions, please let me know down below. And earlier I totally forgot what I was going to say. I don't know, maybe it'll come to me and I'll just put it in another video. I don't know. But please like this video, and please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos every single week, first come, first serve. So thanks for watching, and please keep on smiling.